Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now in front of me on the table, I've got AMP Research's BedStep for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Now what's nice about these AMP Research BedSteps is that they really do help you get in and out of your vehicle. Especially with mine being lifted 3.5 inches on 37-inch tires, and I'm not that tall of a guy, this thing really is a lifesaver. I've had one installed on my JK, we've tried one on the JL, and this one here for the JT is absolutely no exception. It's extremely durable. Everything is made out of cast aluminum, has a nice durable powder coat on it, and even this bracket here reminds me very much of a factory bracket. It's got factory style stamping, and it all just looks like it should be there. Now what's going to happen is that this bracket and this section, as well as your platform, is going to go on the back of the bumper on the passenger side, and then when you step on it, it'll retract down, and then you just kick it up with the bottom of your foot, and it'll go nice and tight up and out of the way. Now this all bolts on using factory hardware, including a little J-clip that's going to go on the back bumper to help you get a little bit more support. Now I highly recommend these if you do lift your Gladiator and you're constantly climbing up. Maybe you have an overland rack or a tent up on the top and you want to easily be able to get up there. This is definitely going to solve that problem for you. Now this is available for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator, as well as a ton of other vehicles. Now definitely go to our website where you can check out this AMP Research product, as well as a ton of other products to help you get in and out of your vehicle. Until next time guys, I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, and I'll see you out on the trail.